Hello, my name is George Jackson, and if you are looking to fix your credit, you are at the right place. I thought I was the only one that had issues with their credit, but come to find out, over 100 million people either have bad credit or have errors on their credit report. So bad credit is a huge problem in this country. And that explains why it is a $3 billion with a B billion-dollar industry. You see, we all need good credit. Our credit score and our credit history impact what we drive, where we live, sometimes even the jobs that we work at. So our credit score and our credit history is something that needs to be paid attention to. We need to be educated on how credit works. And this is how this program is going to help you today. In fact, when I started this program, my score had fallen to 515, but I was able to improve it to the high 700s. I was able to remove 5 collections and completely rebuild my credit profile by learning how credit works and how I can clean up my payment history. I know you want to have a good credit score, otherwise you wouldn't be at this website. So let's talk about how you can completely rebuild your credit profile using the My Credit system. Everybody needs to have a good score if they want to get the best rates for the best loans. What is a good credit score? It's anything that starts with number 7, anything in the 700s or the 800s. There's a term that they like to use as a prime borrower. A prime borrower has a 680 credit score and above. So if you want to have a good credit, you want to score in the 700s. And how do they calculate this score? Well, they use 5 different factors: payment history, credit utilization, credit history, credit mixture, and new credit. So they weigh these 5 factors in and they add up to 550 points of your credit score. Everybody starts off with 300 credit score, but you can add a potential 550 points to your credit score. 2 biggest factors in your credit score are going to be your payment history and your credit utilization. So if you want to make big moves this year with your credit, you want to attack those 2 categories. How will this system help you improve your payment history or your credit utilization? First, this My Credit system is going to show you how to look through your payment history, find erroneous, outdated information, as well as derogatory information, and dispute that with the credit bureaus. You see, a lot of people don't realize they have the right to dispute these items, anything in your credit report, with the credit bureaus. And the credit bureaus have to prove that these items are yours. Now, how do you file this dispute with the credit bureaus? Well, we use a series of dispute letters that will force the credit bureaus to investigate and provide proof that these items are yours. Failure to do so under the strict guidelines of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, these items get removed. Outdated items get removed. Inaccurate items get removed. Things that they can't prove get removed. And that includes things like collections, medical debt, student debt, repossessions, or many other public items. These get removed by disputing them and going through the dispute process. And we show you how to do it. We show you how to identify errors in outdated items, as well as these derogatory items. We show you how to write these dispute letters, where to send them, when to send them, the whole process. It's a 25-minute video course that walks you step by step through the process. We even have a creator dispute writer as part of this program, so it makes it simple and easy for you to go through the process. It was this process that helped me remove 5 out of the 6 collections that were on my credit report. How does this program help you to improve your credit card utilization? Well, we show you strategies on how to increase your credit limits on the cards that you already have. Show you how to add new trade lines that will also increase your credit limit. And with a higher credit limit, you can improve your credit card utilization, lowering it below 30%. Let's be real. One of the main reasons we have bad credit is because we have a cash flow problem. This program will also show you how to improve your cash flow. How? Well, the first thing we teach you how to do, if you have a regular 9-to-5 job, many who do so, we show them how they can increase their take-home pay from anywhere from $200 to $800 a month from their current jobs. This affiliate opportunity. Then we use strategies to take that money, pay down your debt, thus improving your credit utilization and improving your score. Did I mention this is an affiliate opportunity? That means you have the opportunity by making money by sharing this same credit training with other people that you know need it. So as an affiliate, you can make up to $40 commissions by sharing this credit training with other people. Plus, you can make additional residuals and bonuses. So we teach you how to do that as part of this training program as well. Does this program work, or did I just get lucky? Well, let's see the testimonies from other people. Check this out. Now let's check this other result out. Now let's see some of the messages I've got from many other people of part of this program.
I've been in my econ since the beginning. I am now an executive vice president, Infinity. And before my econ, I found myself in a situation that I call broke, busted, and disgusted. And a credit score that had plummeted to a 425 because I went through a divorce that wrecked my world and turned my world upside down and inside out. However, when I started applying the income shifting strategies of my econ and the how to repair your credit score, I went from a 425 credit score to a 750 credit score in less than 18 months. And no, I'm no longer broke, busted, or disgusted. I've used the strategies and I've created a 6-figure residual cash flow.
I know you're excited to start improving your finances and your credit. So how do you get started? Well, there's going to be a link in this website below this video that will take you to my portal to get started, and it's only $39.95 for the first month and $39.95 a month afterward. No obligation to continue, so you can actually just use this program till you fix your credit and quit. But many people continue to do it because they know how powerful this training is, and they love to share it with other people. Go ahead, get started now. The link below this video, and if you have any questions, I'll put my contact information below as well. Look forward to working with you.